This is 2025 and I'm going to show you how you can add screen record on your iPhone if you have previously not done that. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now gradually swipe down your iPhone screen, right? Hold on this firmly. You're going to see a whole lot of controls is going to display, right? Ranging from the airplane mode, the airdrop, the volume, the speaker, like the touch lights, a whole lot of them. Right now, if you look closely, you're gonna see there's a control currently beeping red, right? So it means I'm currently screen recording on my iPhone for this educational video. So if you love to add the screen record on your iPhone, if you love to do some screen recordings, just click on this add a control, right? Under these controls. From here, you're gonna see a whole lot of controls, right? From the scan code, the low power mode, the screen mirroring, the recognized music, the screen recording, and a whole lot, right? So if you look under the test size, you're going to see the screen recording option, right? Close to the quick note. So click on the screen recording. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to add it to your display controls, right? And if I scroll this down, you're going to see I added mine, right? So this is basically how you can add screen record on your iPhone 2025. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.